So after you pass all your tests, your school tests, national tests, your state tests, and you already joined the brokerage, you already figured out what brokerage you're going to be joining, right? You take all your certificates, all your proof of your tests that you passed. You just take it to the real estate division board and you start filing for your real estate license, okay? And then at the end of the day, after you're done with them, they give you a temporary real estate license, so that way you can start selling real estate at least. So after that, after you join your brokerage, you pass all your tests, you go to the real estate division, then it's optional. You can join the GLVAR here, at least here in Las Vegas. That's what it's called. I don't know what's called on different states, but once you join them, you pay your fees, then you can call yourself a realtor. It's pretty much like a realtor association club, and they give you access to the MLS, where you can see all the houses for sale, and you can see everything that's for sale here in Las Vegas, right? I don't know what it's called in different states, but that's what it's called here in Las Vegas, the MLS, GLVAR. That's what I joined in order to call myself a realtor. And at that time, I paid around $1,500 to start and to get access on that MLS, because having that MLS is crucial to my business. It's awesome. So after you do all that, then you can finally start selling, start building your business. That's about it.